Welcome to Infuse Data Solutions School Performance Dashboard. As a large academy or multi-academy trust, you need to manage the performance across a group of schools, and this can be a challenge. The information you need is held across a number of your school's MIS systems. It can be difficult and time-consuming bringing all of this data together when needed. So it's hard to compare and track performance between schools and cohorts within your academies and share that information between your leadership teams. This Infuse Schools dashboard solves these problems. By automatically joining the SIMS performance information together into a rich visual dashboard of interactive measures that enables you to compare performance overall and between schools so your leadership team can track progress and work together on areas of concern. The dashboard comes with 3 core sections. Student demographics that details the volume of children by year group, location over time. Absence analytics, which details unauthorized absence by month and over the school year. And behavior analysis detailing exclusions by year and type. The dashboard is easy to install and can be enabled in about 2 weeks. The dashboard is developed by Microsoft Analytics professionals and can be supported Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 p.m. if your users have any questions or problems. You can choose to take advantage of our fully supported cloud hosting service using Microsoft Azure, or we can install in your existing on-premise platform. So get in touch with us at Infuse and we'll be happy to show you more and discuss all of your academy's performance dashboarding needs.